ankete no nkonya saa encounter no ana say because mentiase menim atenkan ko a ebetumi abewura wu panimu emu na akoda keto be 4 years ne ho aye wakono menim akoda no saa tem no omo no fo ye akoda no saa tem no on share sexy atade bia mfa wani so ye akoda no saa tem no on pete ne ho nya ne ho nante bia ma wuhu ye saa tem na akoda no ne wuni ngomo bia ma wuhu se onim saa ne ma na wo wutiri mo no menim at that particular time the akoda no eye edi kire saa mpanyifo yi sam ne sam penyin totofuo yi minim minim ade konkran kwada ne ya eyo omo akono ya obeti yesi hunhu mi na be hye mimu omumfo sebe wode be janka evan free ni paso evan free ni paso enfam free ni paso wo mo free fa wo na wutina honom na wo watenka wo ye nipa na wo nam honom no wa nya sa feeling no wo se honhom bi na ba be wura mu di akwakoye sa de no what kind of a insem na mo pese mo ke ka kire ye sa no sese ndi honhom ne adwamanfo honhom ma chese ono akwada ketwa wo ye na kodo ade honhom no adwamanfo ama chese ono hu akwada ketwa na akwada no ho ye na kono no bi wura mu ene wo se wo na wo so de chese wo mre nti wo na metumi di wadi sa adwuma yi ane ene odi ko di sa adwuma no oh aba na lafia na lafia nti ma bebre ya omo buyo omo na mo Kwame ebi person utodua ne kra ma ne keke obi so na mo be decide o ke be de o de o nyo obi kra ba ne kan cheze sister mpacho ho ye me fe
o se wa de wa bra bo ma de ya o da mo kro bi afre dem se ei sa obi kra friend nanka o chichi ni mu no ho so se o chichi ni hu go de so se ompe obi kra amfre obi kra anya ne sibu wati obi ani se ana sister wa de ne friend do eti wo sa di pa no o peso kire se adwama honhom no krasinia ma wo kwa no timi be so e wo so mugu ahomani ahomani so they don't operate this way ahomani mpe kwasi asem wo kwa be na honhom be de kwa kwa edi agwa baby because on person be kana asem je sa honhom we de ane o fa de ho akono de ne ho ofe ho akofa no boy 4 bars of man for review ane oboye selection ane iti akonfo mai o de we o person che se nti hunhum ya mo fa mo no omo ni taste na ba se asemsa aba o yo hu dwaman fo na anam dada na ebia wakwakoji aduro bi na ebia o pese wo aduro no ye yi na wo de kofa kwada so ampacho fa ko she hu bia o mu ye aduro a o mu ye sa me bompa ese fankosho homia na no crash yes na eno crash should be a strong warning say wo ko di aduro ne ka say ko fa akoda ansa na adwuma aduro na ayi a it should tell you say aduro na nkasa akora bodam aduro na bodam nyansa ni aduro no ansa aduro na nkasa akora de wo be ye biribi a wankasa akora wo mpe obetumi ya instruct time dia say ko ye we wa nya neku you get it. It is all the pair drew the walk akodoma. For who kodoma drew na nkasa nim nyansa. Na drew no what in cow taste. Where is saying? 4 years. 4 years. How? Na kwa no kura ni majare. That big Kwame. I break it crown. Hey, by be a jama time. Oh. I bad. E be a jama time, papa. We dear below belt. We dear abroso atrasokra enti we dear empedifo so be kase honhom mi de ha na mo mpa mo fa mo nko honhom wiase mo na honhom no me kire honhom kra eye no ne enko saa honhom na kira kwan na saa honhom ne adwina so asa tia openi me say almost honhom aposifo ati na almost nkopɛ honhom ni na honhom no hwem ne honhom kra wono ene man saa direction na say obewura ni bodi ne kodi say djuma no na yɛntwe wone honhom ni nyira ha so komfo no na say baby okodi aduro no yɛntwe wono ode nipa na so adai
sometimes no well
ade ati na ni pe fa plus na bodi we sanse mu hunu we inside we sanse mu hunu we na hore ba be twam za ade we yam fanya dai
akwa ho se ko mi egua in public ba didn't to ayi so ni eku na chi pa I don't want to say na aba boys in
it is we say ga oyes awie no nanka ya chi na agina baby na ya sensini dua bi ho ma yi no nanka ono so ne na chi ho no mo e be ma na chi ho na dia fa ho no hu se de zitie
we ma hu ku we go prison
why gas say de na mo we got say de be tuma ho do or de be tuma ho papa we
to foundation ba wa go dey abeti ase wow
but Kwame sa stage yi bi so na gas ni bi so po when who say wa ho no saa na body no so gira so saa no no who say wo na obetumi ayi wo na obetumi ayi o di America ba
what I dey o me en mirror and never be o ho no mo eya e o si hwedi enye boys ni minim ho ma ba boys ni mo sese wasi asamsa
akwaro so we nanim ni na no okay we what year free so we na no ni nanim he
akwa we pa
kwa be bekuta
kra 4 years dey babota
akwa be bekuta
we dey dan asenya de
we pra kra no
fra obi ba
we pra kra no we pra no
another ba kwa no so ko so mo dey asend me agware I want the same thing on the Panama account. Sorry. Now, my mini was a mission question. What crimes are most reverend or right reverend? More video, no, Ambra. Now, Ambra, Bishop I use formerly of Obuasi. Yes, and the Yanka Sabia, Abuchi Prof. Eddie Nkomo, also Sompa 106. I never bought it now. I decided not to call Bishop again, but I think he gave a lot of answers on that. Can we move here a video no, on my name is Susanna Wesley New says so
Bible say you did two true mono already am my arm and fire and stand. You tossed to be a mostly will be our baby to show you now you're unrobber.
I mean, I make a Bible.
Bible, Papa, you can't unrob enough from war, Bishop or so, suffocate to us. So I saw him paying for the word of force, we are cron for. Serious.
Okay.
We are cron for. Papa, what can I say? Can the bishop say? Say, Uba mi won't you tight? Ubi you, Mama Oto. From one can say. Say ubi biwu a yemfa tight enkotia one kind wom papa say me a me de me ho yemfa nto ho a na wo kan bibi say obi ye adwuma contractor otimi tua tight fine me ye adwuma said ye wo kan no sta na tie I can pay tight me to matua tight kese pa me ntua o di ama me ntua ne say dia me pe na me de ba dia ka na me de ba jia dia me pe wa abonsene fine me ma mi bewu me ma mi nyanwuye me papa de obi anim sa asafu mu wa wu dada etare me moma so
to board the tougher
enti dia papa ja me kwa me kasa wie kwa na obi ankasa bie ma no ana na yate ase papa de etosu bie tight no a wo ka ho asem no me ma mi ba bewu na onyanwuye na ma betua tight kuku dame na wa be asori ma be yi asori bad time ko abe yi 5 million say mon famra na ma page 50 million dia be tua tight afi ne ka bom say saying
okay
time na ye tua welfare no na dan na mu ye ma obi nye adwuma na oni sika odi ye adwuma obetua tight mostly I say obi bi wu wunya asema wan tua tight a wo ma obepɛ de wa ha
Okay.
papa train
No, yeah, tell me. Won't you be
papa
for
de train
Kwame
papa train
Nkwantabisa,
fine third man na ye tua welfare no na ye dan mu ye ma because onye adwuma kra na obetime tua 10 cedis or 5 cedis with welfare obeka ko support na ne onye adwuma na obetena ha na wada bia obetena ha da bia obetena na ne bibia wu ne onya problem mo se won tua tight nti won ko oba obegya ya sore no
Ati. The next person.
Abekwa ni esane senkra no. Abekwa ni esane senkra sala. Well, but Kwame, I don't blame Obi as me blame church media. No? Because our video now is from well-established videographer na media team. When you be phone at the editor, so phone the editor, you see the quality, you see how and sunny was so kakra. And not just switch na, otimi switch the contours of on so. Me blame be me blame church media. Where I na sometimes viral corner a riot media phone be blame they don't know ethics. And sometimes they be cry in public. Say obi a professional president. Now unfortunately BBS here ye free no son tentem. But we no or try could switch call so for no so see behu the pastor on any kasa. And na mu yo matwa ho no nko a say enko viral. So one, the church media no, there's something wrong with them. They are unprofessional, and to me either there is an agenda they wanted to do with this woman. Obiansuma sorry ko. Tight ne welfare. Asori bi o nye tight ni. Won hu sa asori no wan ko wa ko asori ye tight di. Akotena ho. Anhwehwe papa na ne kasa no. Oye panyin che hu. Sanyo ositian hey papa me kasa wie no obi ankasa asori na engwa dia. Oh, you see, say, who no be coswa, ya na me and so, and say, who no be coswa, and is yes, so. Madam Akachi, oh, sa, so will be a me pam, Choseko, one hour person or Conwako. Did the paper say, no, oh, and I'm because I saw any Bia, the Maya, I had it for us in sinners, and you were different characters, but whereby I own him so bishop your crom for, or so for do and your crom for, now so Timoma, and also your crom for. Because enya krono anka wontena sesa akronfo ntete enti we say o ma ne kuo panyina obewie sika oye kronfo because according to ne kasa na kronfo na atete no to ono akasa so ye kronfo na oti asori ho obi ansuma mo samo nkwa asori obi ansuma ti wakotena all these years knowing very well say u bishop ni mu a Methodist bishop ni mu a ye kronfo Reverend no, the right reverend, the most reverend no church or so. I a crumb for still that's what you are sorry. What about them? Are you okay? So what come baby? I won't say, oh, when yet, yeah, crumb for now still that's what you are not okay. Why do you need Juma to certain level? I must say it. Mr. Sorry, young Fanko from Moons as a cool. It means so because on me, I catch him say, Yakobu Omwa, not me bocrati, not me bofu. Me tie bako obi betima bebu me odo asore na wakodu anopa obu okra ne me ko school onya time hwe wo mu sore anopa tutu akotena so dem me nkasa okọ asore enye o se obekwe kura meeting no nko ye bi o ti bi sore free adwuma time o so ye adwuma no akotena so dem me nkasa okọ asore enye na wa betena na udin se hunu sei and the church media spread this senko viral. I don't know what is wrong with us. Minim the high bibia ya pese ekọ viral ko social media ekọ viral tia panyini se pe papa na so no o se dia na woni dia anu wa kire se wo kasa wi obi ankasa bi wo kasa wi na obi ankasa ma me no te na chihwe se ne yam hye no bro obuse ni osi ba na mu bro ka se na one man churches ni bia ka asofofo ne mrante no ma beti akete ake gom be gwa okra asa na wo video that viral ni o gana buofo se Methodist for ne Roman for this anko for yom ye discipline kakra na ka one man churches bia ene abeya ebi shoe se Goliath oni David kwa akoko ya da ka umpie na kwa no nyina papa wa no na ade kasa o microphone ni Wami eye very worried because me the structure of the church no o ma say no da bia me ka say nya tight won ye hwedibo eko obi ayi ye hwe tight so ye de ye obi adoye church na yira omu mandate o ma yira free kwan no because when it's about yen welfare there should be payment of welfare et welfare no ye contributor bibi towa ye hwe welfare mu ya de mra na ye nyina ahye se bia uni wu si wu e be ma 5,000 and 50,000 no near the says kanaba then the church itself as sorry na kasa our responsibility as what donating what the church have to donate and to your welfare say 1,000 e the amount sorry so donate 1,000 and 2,000 but say on your welfare as sorry still have to take care of you and as sorry be bon san e bia 500 o your welfare contributor ya show 1,000 the amount but on your welfare contributor ya the 500 ne kwa ma asori ne ko ba wa ba ya ba ka say oh ti say o tua tithe na tithe e contribution ansa na wo tua tithe ya mo yi o wa ya ma na sabi onya adwuma be de nya ska tua tithe. There are certain things that the church gira free o makwan asori na gira free o makwan ebe na de ya de na se untua tithe asori ma wa yi o wa asori ma. But you know this, no akwatena obi amfo so setena ho. Onum say untua title ye manu atena ho. And you are painting your bishop so your crofo, so for your crofo wan kasa so maame wan so your crofo. Akwohwie na ade te aso dem say dem fantini bekam. Yes, so say hunu so too much. Me say before so obekọ aso asori ne doors obi awo ne hyehye. SDF so oba enwe nam we yenye say o so obekọ. Na akwa woni so oba me wa yaso timi twa peteshu timi bopok timi yewe ko JW a omumra ho enye chinchin ase ko Jehovah Witness ase de nkofo kan no obere preku ana bere nsenye nokre wakọ kramu se yanwe pok yanom sa oti ase no adjoin ni so keep quiet and stay me awado na tena ho enye obi a na be chechire wo de wo ko ye because the other churches are opepok omu ala ma owe obekọ Ade wa that churches are omu allow. You see some of these things, you know. Yeah, na ye slave ye ho. Momo former Methodist Bishop there no. Na Kwame Nkwantabisa. Momo Methodist Bishop there ma me say no I ready. Na muntie one abochi kwapna abochi of abochi. Oh, I'm crying.
Yeah. Na jide abobo wa. Abaya fashamu wa. Kama na na man. Ni ya kabum. Ni dashi na mimi yama.
Okay. Reverend, sa usha mama nsem na wo kana. Na oka amanesi se asore nankasa no eden hihye ya ba se unya eye amane bia se ebia udishe bia to e wa asore de mu a yemma efise untua entususo dudu sa nkomo no wadwenkyere wo ho na de sen
mura na sipi madrasa sa yenye brigada se bibia aye constitutional another year convention yenye brigada actually enchantata and to collectioner jode yenye mo ogo do ni de aya shaba ya bushi ni sipi na asata all day yen. Na so be ka fa kinyan shi en biara. So also be na wa yan shi ya. Or you look carton. Na sa na we yen so o de bia. Well, what is our sermon crane and my subject of fetch? We want to bois, a bobois, who send a son, and yet when I'm going to get as a couple. Yet another song could say, or they need to work a car, maybe and then the pea, a wash the moon. And in Grand Cafe, do a it be an approach, you know, and the Cassaquano. And the media who can't say, more day, a son of I should be there. So, answer question. A just fighter, woman, you see, another one to work is your
okay.
Make it so.
Okay. When you better was a pass of this into the Munodia Mayang now. And you know, say, Mamma de Casa, say, ye baby, or Cassa. As software ne asom panyimfo no ya kronfo efri mu a na nka de o kan ye no na eye de di mu pa de mi bisara na say apart from attempt di a ere mame no e kan ye e wa sori dem ho na o ka say e was asori na nkasa no welfare system no eye adwuma rather than say tighten no ye de be gina so na de ahwe so say asem to wa ye beba no saa ehwo no de na odika
enye de odika se wa somu atire we bishim asore ntide sadio omana ni akwana ye fodo ye kasa amiri bisasam ye wo abenefit no ha asome create as the BBT was cinema. Yes, I do. So, matters so no. You will be there. Society meeting.
Okay.
Bushme Basa. Another actor crab Bushme Sia. Or that Sunday Naisia. Near Kinkan Babu. Near one pack of creepy. Maybe she is a person. I the soul. The apple garden was cinnamon. Don't think you are cinnamon. No, what can a certain thing while war suffer. It's really a say, yeah. Give the Boboa a buyer for Samoa. I'm not a Chinaman. A couple with actually medium.
Okay, Reverend, so Ushama means some now walk kana na oka amanesi say. Asore nankasankasa no eden hihye aba se unya eye amane bia se ebia udihye bia to e wa asore de mu a yemma efise untua entususo dudu saa nkomo no wadwenkyere wo ho no sen
mura madasipi madrasa sa yenye brigara se bibia aye constitution another convention yenye bibia ochede enchantata to collection jode yenye mo obu no ni de aya shaba ya burushi ni supi na asanta ode yenye na so be ka fekini shi bibia so osofu bi na wa ya shishiya or you look carton. Now, some more Williams, so the baby. Well, what is our sermon crane and my subject of fetch? We want to bois, a bobois, who send a son, and yet, when I'm going to get as a couple. Yet, another song could say, or they need to work a car, maybe and then the pea, a wash the moon. In Grand Cafe, do a it be an approach, you know, and the Cassaquano and the media who can't say, more than day, a son of I should be there. So, answer question. A just fighter, woman, you see, another one to work is your
okay.
Make it so.
Okay. When you better was a pass of this into the moon.
All right. FSO. Yeah, I am first. Kevin, thank you. Rabia too, thank you. So that is it. That's enough. Don't be who are. That's I am a city. But that's the question I ask myself. Obi am free. So, you know, me that be I become so obi ya there down pa. And then also I saw when she shared no pa. Ubejai. They be no. Why, Mammy Brown so no pay.
Obeni mami ndasi biem na I will hope and this video, particular video in question, yeah no pay ya bwama T4 I know so a viral no sends a strong message. It sends a strong message. And I suffer for no muti no. They will agree with me. It sends a strong message to a software. A sorry penny for, a sorry a candy for. Say, ye babe bo biesu. Edena wura asafu biemua. Yempen hunu say, nipano, nyame asem no wagye atum. Nyame asem no onim. Nyame asem no etinimu. Because this only sends a message say, yeah, you pray who boys to the amount for ba a sorry fee so me asafo ma a sorry man na sefo no. Wabra womunyanti nyame asam na se womunyanje nyame no eniye enyi the message itself are suffer for the more ansane obomosu no. They should begin to have a second thought about that and then desist from it. Because Kwame say they are going to say, yeah, sorry no do na omo pray omo say, oh ya be ye preaching be ye na wotwe mienu ya nya akranti ye nko bo mo asu. Omo agije mi edi anesa. No. I was say ye nya breme nipa no titi nipa no de nyame asem de wura ne mu manage nyame asem ne tumu ansa na wabonasu.
Baby, I don't cry say the churches no. Omo pe numbers and members done souls.
That that's good. Dan woman now, woman in Yankopon benya apam, wombe dinya mie tumuni na nya apam ansana ya bomosu. The churches, the pastors do not value the covenanter. Asafono anase okrana yako kanya mia semwa chire na wie no. Oni nyame benya ansana ya bonafsu no because asubo no eye dia eba be silisa covenant na eye between nipa no ne Nyankopon. But we are always in haste now. Yenya ko 2-3 days no bi nya ka se meje to me be kwa so na asa. Kwame yenya de nipa ne be ru asori fie hodom so asa. As to say ye pe hunu se ni growth awo nyame mu no ekosen etisen no ye hunu. Because senka ye pe hunu ena yenka ye tu ho anamo ka all of these questions came pejanken sorry. Nka all of this commentary came pejanken sorry. Nka wonya asori ba ya osan ye kuo pani ehye ekuo atade enka sate se wiasini. Because ne kasa no te se wiase ni obi a onyi nyame ni afo so no e de na wuram sana ne kasa na sitie sana ne kasa na kwakoye ese nyame no mu kura wo no onyi nyame ni onyi asafo no ni onyi asafo no nkyerɛkyerɛ entum onyi entum. Because woji tum na woji Nyankopon no di na tro na wo si dan da wo kan na enunti ema wo ba asori ni mu wo be converti wo biem ebe kra ekuo foforo ho na wodi juma sronko e de boa nyame juma na you will not do what you did. It only sends a message to a suffer for one say a sorry man or muti a sorry fee or no no from their love for God no it is nothing to talk about. And I remember Sa tight won say we na asefo Kwame. Let me share this with you. Me kai say me kosa me bra ba ko ye Kentin Chrono. Is there sorry mo sofo be gina nim na no promote ye tight say ye to tight no ye nye say ye ni systematic na asefo. Owie ye me approach no won chen say papa the obeka ye nyina me nka se wakasa guo na asefo. But the point is the love for God is not there, because if the love for God is there, nipa no nyo kwa me na be convince me say onyi sikamfa mo ayame anase onyi ne tight, just like kwa me wa wo ba na wo ne nete no odo a wo ma wo ba nti no, you go on length and breadth to take care of wo ba, because wo do ba no, because wo ba no opesu ogina ye. Nti se wo do nyame na se wo se wo ginyankopon dia enka nya asofo kra na wo se wo preach kire wo say yi tight bra yemfa mo anyame adwuma, yi tight bra na se yemfa nhwe asofo no muntumi enkoso antre nyame asemani nko akire, yi tight bra na yemfa mo anfansi hospitals, anfansi schools, yem partner abai na yem na development ye hia no yentumi nya wo yem ma na ye kroma, because God always want to see us developed. The more we are developing, the more na ye da nyankopon adi na ye ya dance di for ama nyankopon. So asofofo ne ya sorry mpenifo, you have a duty. Mu adwuma kase ya paaye. Mo nyai say no, mu kwako gina asafo nanimu a mu preach ya say asa mu interest no akwako gina sika. Preach the love of God to them, because one omo be do nyankopon a o meyi na komemu no mo yi ne mmoroso yi na kese mo de mo mfa nya mfato we say wo mo ginyami edipa o mo hu se nyame ye bibia wo mo no so mo be ba afode a mo nhwe obo afode no mo hwe saafo no ma complaining about tight da. We have the likes, the big men they be omo ka say tight nti and not to say what to say e bi dia dance akese, because they know God, because omo be do nyame and nti wo mu yi a there's no question attached to it. Asofofo asori mpenifo anopai menemu na din komo no, because say mama sorry mano dodo na eyira, because the message itself you are not giving it to them. The message itself na ebe mo matumi anya ehini no matumi anyini wasafo no mu ni asori no mu no magina yie no monye
Kafra aropaina meka OSP so ho asem na meka chro say former chairman of Parliament Constitutional and Legal Affairs Committee, Honorable Inisaf Hussein, na also kasa on this matter, our special prosecutor and someone work court no yem musana no pay down no iron lawyer mapa, someone who have been the chair for a parliament committee no on legal affairs no yemusano they take on it. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to say.
Jamia dom now so
I'm here.
Yeah, no bad they say. Arab wedding. I'm running the abanisa ya the sheha near the sheha. Ti nyambo sa name wada ho. Now with Attorney General and the Office of the Special Prosecutor about to me to prosecute and serve your mayor, and the Attorney General said no. Said the Mrano Yashisha Act no also consulting. A do baby cry, Dr. Sims I say, oh, case be court, they were not even aware. Power play OSP paid to me at their prosecutor's own. Attorney General said there be the access consultants. Sir, what is your take on it?
It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Okay. Mami say because some passing law no ranking member. You just a Abella. Okay. Now it's unfortunate because won't to pass along. Then now you to say, I gave you a higher in the corruption. And starting with Nana Akufo-Addo government. In fact, and starting with the constitutional regime, who can say military regimes for some military former heads of states on issues of corruption. The assembly that was actually the corruption is half of my. In the 2016 campaign, corruption was on the agenda. Corruption was on the budget. The MPP could say, the Ghana former Mutua or more being about Parliament, about establishing the office of the Special Prosecutor. Can you know from the Independent Prosecutor? Now, NDC for you say, will create a specialized office at the Office of the Attorney General. Now, purpose in the NDC before say, have been work to bring a constitutional amendment to drive the office of the Minister of Justice and the Attorney General and separate the Attorney General from the Minister of Justice. In the name and we see the idea to the Ghanaian public. Ghanaians into Emma MPP. The MPP almost introduced legislation to Parliament, member of Parliament. As a member of Parliament, made when say about Eddie bill other Parliament when we are ever doing and working. So it's a deal with problems when we are any problems. So we worked on the bill. Made that so casse. What kind long title of the bill? The bill, the Office of the Special Prosecutor, a specialized agency within the Attorney General's Department, and prosecutes under the authority of the Attorney General. So what can do now? You will have to know that. So first of all, the office is a specialized agency under the Attorney General's office. Two, it prosecutes under the authority of the Attorney General. Even if you read the bill, it doesn't say it is the Attorney General who nominates the Special Prosecutor.
Oh, okay.
Yes, for consideration of the President.
I never knew.
Yes, it's in the list. So, 10 billion a year, you can go to Emma. Into your designing structure, no. Given the Emma Attorney General being the principal legal officer of state, want to prosecute and fight corruption. Research HRSA, Attorney General, or you're a member of a government and sits in cabinet. So the cabinet collects a year a day and fata. Want to prosecutor. Want to be investigator, let alone prosecutor. Now, you say public office, a whole of corruption is started. So Attorney General and to me prosecuted because of party affiliation. And I've been a member of cabinet and you set up a specialist. What do you do in the Attorney General? So we have been to prevent political interference, or insulate the office against political interference. You must special prosecutor operational independence. So on potential cases, investigator or to prosecute. We financial independence, even though it's part of the Attorney General's department. Attorney General, Special Prosecutor, or General and the budget. That's financial independence. So, Attorney General and to me first send and the special prosecutor. Yemen is institutional independence. Even though it's part of the office of the Attorney General, special prosecutor or recruiting the workforce, or no training workforce, or no assigning the workforce, or beyond directly and I am controlling the workforce any management. Why do we do that? The one yes are then we are actually taking an already existing institution because the Attorney General will to control and direct the special prosecutor. Then you better just expand the mandate of Yoko. We were trying to cure a mischief. So, so the only thing which was now the problem Article 88. Article 88 says all prosecutorial powers are vested in the Attorney General. So people say on prosecutor, this Attorney General eman the fiat. This Attorney General fiat in the authorization.
Okay.
Now, Attorney General under a law. So law we are passing Article 959. So we have Section 4.2 of the Act. One is subjected to Article 88.4. And 2, it says that Attorney General shall be, the OSA shall be given the power to prosecute. So Article LI 2753 say, I think Regulation 11 say, after Attorney General or any authorized agent, every year we can prosecute. So but Attorney General say, yes sir, no dear, or understand it acting. So see, to be able to prosecute, the Attorney General must come to them for a fiat. That is the confusion. That is the confusion.
But Honorable, you find you see to the balance of accountability and autonomy of the OSP.
Yeah, so the balance of the accountability and autonomy of the OSP, accountability.
Yeah.
You see, in the law, the OSP must give an account of a junior all year, half yearly. You see, we have OSP, on your press conference, you know, a law no say on your press conference. On Chile, publish. Cases been or handle, cases been or scale conviction, cases been or investigated. So that is the accountability. And he does that to the people of Ghana and puts that at his website. Autonomy, and you say, you see that the Attorney General's office is different from the office of the Special Prosecutor. And Attorney General has never posted anybody to the office of the Special Prosecutor.
I see. But Honorable Sir Sania Kadia, you say office of the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, you know, normally is being appointed by the president or government of the day. Say an independent body, or also bebem now bebwa the Attorney General in prosecution. Then how do we avoid being partisan on this appointment?
Yeah, so that is why the Special Prosecutor has a fixed term of office.
Okay.
Secretary of Tenor. Or Secretary of Tenor. Only 7 years. 7 years? After 7 years, only qualified to continue in office.
Okay. I see. And now, Etodobia Kase, Office of the Special Prosecutor, no? Onye, is it not supposed to be independent in its operations?
Yes, in the provision, yeah, independent, yes.
So if
in his operations,
yeah. And the honorable say me independent. I don't know say me could take fiat from a higher authority.
Oh, because of the constitutional provision. Constitution say, yeah, the 2 million action nipa bakosan. Sa nipa no authority to prosecute on behalf of the state.
Okay, and that's that.
There's a constitutional ankasa. It didn't need authorization, but constitution in the casa.
And the OSP not den hon so on any honsa.
Yeah, well, you know, no. So to do that, to be able to do that, you're making laws. Circumscribe the power of the Attorney General to give a fiat, to authorize. So, and that is found in section 4.2 of the Act. And again, Regulation 11 of the LI. So, Sansa no court no. Obi bisa say, you what Dante is say, Constitution will say all power of prosecution is vested in the Attorney General. And Parliament itself take part of the power and gives the OSP. That's just the question.
And so when you fiat no a special prosecutor, that means you can proceed to prosecute a case.
So one you can prosecute. But no one per se, Attorney General, all you see start to me as a weapon.
Okay.
You see, so how do you deal with that? Attorney General, person investigating and all prosecutor, this is a condition. So not Attorney General arm manual. The special prosecutor cannot prosecute. So you'll be using the fiat as a weapon. So Parliament and PESA. So that Parliament is a main law for us to amend the Constitution. So what do? We navigate the contours of Article 88.
Okay.
So that's what we attempted to do. Now, the democratic institutions, when they are creating them, they are not creating them to be perfect, but they create them to be workable.
Yeah.
Perfection will come after years of work. So we created an institution. We didn't say it was a perfect institution. No, they said there was a risk of challenging court. But the intention of Parliament was very clear. Establish an office, compel the Attorney General to give that office here, insulate that office from political manipulation by giving them some protections.
Okay, so Honorable, as I'm working, so the another thing that people are saying, so DNA under the slaves of the government, or show say the special prosecutor, but then are prosecuted without the fiat, no, and no, sir, public commentary, no. How do you respond to it?
Oh, people argue that way, but you need to know that suit near Attorney General no court, near Attorney General no see special prosecutor.
Yeah.
Or be no see the special prosecutor.
Okay.
Or court to invoke the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court to interpret Article 88, and particularly 88A and 4, against Section 4.2 of the Act. So, see, like you trying to say, what Parliament intended to do was to statutorily transfer or give authorization to OSC to prosecute. Now, that interest, trying to say, Parliament cannot do that. Any constitutional interpretation, the defendant in constitutional matters, Attorney General. So, me Attorney General call court, or no call court.
Okay.
In that, Attorney General will go challenge, but I will have been surprised that Attorney General was challenged.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So, he has no option. Now, Mr. Bibri, actually, we should have opposed it. But Attorney General, on principle of law, also want to oppose it, petition because I read them from a kind of cancer in 2017. But in trying to get a workable solution or propose the amendment, but also not arguing. So on matters of law and in principle, Attorney General's position seems to align with the petitioner's position. Now, petitioner, his petition just went to court recently. But Attorney General's position, you can see it since 2017.
And the other way, 12 CSOs now, or joining a case in a Supreme Court. Nina on amicus curiae, no, and also how will it be?
So it's good. It's good. It is very good. Because me, you can say, I will do anything and everything to save the office of the OSP.
Okay.
Because meaning what it can do.
I see.
So, and I know that Ghana and India, we are worried about corruption. So we OSP free power. What institution are you bringing? And how do we fight corruption? So until there is an institution that will replace the OSP with the powers that was envisaged, I will continue to support OSP.
But do you think, sir, so far by the creation of the office, yenya value for money? If I'm
it's not value for money. Yeah, it's not value for money.
And you don't forget to say at that time Parliament, enya saying you know so they say yen create our office,
You repeat your question.
Other part just say.
Question of you.
Now me busa say so you don't regret the creation of a year.
No.
As parliamentarian.
As a Ghanaian.
As a Ghanaian.
As a former member of parliament. I don't regret.
All right. I want to pay my yanase pa education. All right.
Okay.
Abu Alhaji Idusa Fusaini, formerly da oye member of parliament Emma Tamale Central. Sa enso so anodo ankasa be minister for lands and natural resources. Odo ankasa so do parliament ranking on legal affairs. Anopay yene dim komo on the OSP and komo aba. And then I see a refugee more, but we also have a idea a hen we was a education no on it. But still ye a sorry komolo. Yeah, I say better about this bishop da you know my edim komo near share. The way forward for churches, you engage some of the pastors. Now you heard this said the report say Odifo Kwame can say yeah that's all yeah Wow, I just said I'll be order. You could go minister, say over come back and I'll know anyway. Over to you, July.
Over to you, July. It's over to you, July. Decide you decide. Choose your choose.
Choose your choose. Take your take.
Ade. Obedi. As of for this is a lesson for them. They are pija bay. Say answer ne bebo obi asu no yehu se nipa no watintim waginya mina di ansa no no so ya gina tuma betro ne din aka asafo no ho say okay asafo no nhihye ne nkyerɛkyerɛ atro no ade ama asafo no asimasi obmentin wadim ntintima wagiatum na oswe by ntwedi amponyankopon wagina tum say fitine ko ne nyame be nantisa say some of these questions will not be popping up na a Christopher we will be asking ignorant questions and ka bia ye na was ye yia no edema obi bisa bonten suni na nka ya chirechiri mo no na ye ne ye belong to that family that church no we are asking this question there it means say asori na nka san kra say ye share ye ene ye be wura mu ne ye betina mu say ye ba be ye den ye ba besom ye ni asafo no e ba besom e wo honom pedi kakra bi on ye OSP said ye woni ye opini kese honorable Nusafoseni, respected legal brain, respected former member of parliament, and respected character in our country called Ghana. Now, only the incommobile near be so say you create a special prosecutor and so baby a special agency under the Attorney General. Now prosecute under the authority of the Attorney General, which 88.4 has spelled it out clearly. Said that authority, was spelled there. Said it will be given by the Attorney General or any other person authorized by him in accordance with any law. I give birth to enact Act 959. Yade aba ene edijuma. But it saddens my heart. Say sankomoyi ebobo eba na lawyers ye brabra no dani no. I wish say you betumi anya legal brains in this house na one on one ye ni omadi nkomo. I wish you betumi anya members of parliament omodim the likes of Abia Afenyo Markins, Haruna Idrisu, now the majority leader in parliament. Some of us, we wish to have them one-on-one to sit before us so that we can ask them some provocative questions from the constitution and how the office was created, on what basis, the creative office, which law gave way for them to create that office, or they establish the act, and so they support to backing so bit me and this is the conversation we are having about the office created by parliament. Yenim say Attorney General Emma Hokwan said 88.4 eka say any other person authorized by the Attorney General. So it means the office was created through the authorization or from the authorization of the Attorney General. Say it should be a special agency to help fight corruption and corruption related matters. And with here honorable so and some of the operational independence of the OSP is there. Doesn't depend on the Attorney General for any day-to-day activity. No, it is the state that funds it. So me pesemi how come the state was able to create or establish an officer a year against or contrary to our law, and on which law Mraben Omijina so decrees our office. Some of us, we want this explanation, because we are not seeing the institutional independence of the office of the special prosecutor as narrated by Honorable Inusa, which you say, or what's our institutional independence, or to me the Edi Jumano. We need a lot of explanation, a lot of answers to Enema Ekoso, and because to me, dear, Mentiasia net, na Mantiasia so nra. Menim so china so metiasie the Ekoso from the Attorney General there. I don't know. And this CSO so I ne woman so I can't mutia boom no mutu sana moyi. To me, Mecca said thumbs up to them, because it's a sign of the democracy na ye kru mu hanom ni ye memu ha se exist ye juma na fi atumi amboa na per your checks and balances atumi akoso ewo eye honum na fi so yatumi anya the independence of the special prosecutor no atumi fight corruption na atumi to corruption and hold on. So as a area free ye memo, so the CSOs, they should go and test the laws, they should go and interpret the law to the law to the Supreme Court. Now if you read the understanding of the Supreme Court, and so when it comes to 88, saa ba besi no yen hwe ono so na ntrase because we know say o trase wie nso e ba be dane mra if say was ye amendment a constitution mu na yetumi e create and I make way for a corruption and corruption related offices or body be fight here na no so ye dia kwa create e honum. So me my support, I'm throwing it behind this CSOs, 12 CSOs are omobake the independence and the creation of the special prosecutors or be existing because corruption does so corruption di enya wo ye memo ha corruption ti amanfo anyomu say tam omanyomu say tam through corruption which ankasa wotena se na wo sensene adwuma omo ya okasa wo mo 10 years to be who they are today ka enye ye emfa. But through corruption, through inflated prices, through a near dubious means, among for the omoho at the expense of Timemufosi a sofa. Nothing so in whom baby tibefa. So we need a corruption or a special agency or baby to corruption. I say Eddie Amay. See a kasi a jai Eddie Ama political houses say woman and koso and fight corruption. Enkosi baby. Enkusiaga because that crowd who attorney general cases ahodua egu so from day to day na e be free district ahodua e be free region ahodua na ma directives kwan on be fa so de nsem ahodua de afa so ma directives kwan e be fa so asia handle cases o case no doso. So when it comes to corruption cases here, young institution will be to me a handle. Now, young guys say yes, sweep corruption cases under the carpets. Somebody a peja who you bet now quack daddy. Young coon baby aquacosi, young quate the woman beam. Now then I quack daddy. I call that to say soon, you know. I call that to say if fear, I say aquaco settle down in sewer assay. Sada na aquacoy. Yente hwi biem yente ne mpopo ye biem ye bete ne mpopo ya na NPP ni NDC and I ba be discussion which it doesn't hold any water, which doesn't go anywhere. No mo bra so sa na mo penso na we cry corruption say no mo dey justify the equalize obo sa no mo koba sa ni ehu de ekoso. We don't want that to exist again. We want to see say asem peja na ba ye behun say asimasi obenten no ampa odisika ya jisika ni de firi ho ya twena so asimasi obenten ye de intensely bi born no ye wura mu na ntesa sede esitie enie enu nti wade no ho wanya no ho free no okọ sebe ya politicians no when they are talking omunyusu corruption kramvo emfanye campaign because they themselves they are corrupted. Nti omu yusu no sa no mo de katakata so sa because onimisa wo be kan de ono so be kan odi enti no wo be kan de no amia na no no so di bone sa. But if we fight these cases to the last breath of it ni ehu die wo mu at least on better radio so they will begin to tell us what ankasa wo mo betumi aye ne de omu ya eso wom faso ne benya mfaso de ama o man no anu na beye ansam o mbedi enkomo mbedi ensa nkoye NMPP yesi NNDC yesi na we discuss e pie free mo afa we will begin to have intellectual politics. We will begin to have intellectual debate than political argument that they need in our course. Our radio stations near TV stations. Let's have this special vehicle, this special agency, this institutional independence, this operational independence. Say a be existe na tumia ye djuma dia boa Ghana for na Ghana for ya dia ho because sika Kwame amamfo di wo kurom harama no eso so oti bia na uyema shi say jim Kwame na me say no ko first kan wo na Ghana wo sika sei na ye brese ye pensuo ye brese ye pe school ye brese ye pe kwan na nipa ba ko sika kakraka nke betumi aye sa schools no be 20 30 no na ba ko fo no ko di ti wo bisa ho say ne sika no ko fa no wan sika no ko nya no wan nti next kind of dahe any antumi amfanya this development no and ono de okonya sa sika no ediye. So you see, it's very, very worrying, very, very disheartening, very, very heartbreaking, and very, very sad. It's getting out of hands. I egregious say bekoswa I heard say I who say existed before us. Unless otherwise, the politicians are creating their reclusive life from the citizens. I just said, they have their own life. Yeah, means you are for crime. So the new musica obi hold you accountable. And that you force woman so life. Yes, you live and also obi hold you accountable. Yeah, change so. Be a special change. Let's begin to have these institutions to function. When they function, the good of the people and the good of the nation. Let's begin to have these institutions to function. Kwame, may I say an opinion?
Now, I Masaba send a burial community.
Yes.
Now, Kwame me ba, and that ye call Bruno region pa near Jinem Giddy. One Bruno region and no more demonstration.
Yes.
You serve no demonstration.
Yes, Reverend.
Apostle Kwame and the Aberno. Now, if you also are Messiah Basuyane West. Right. Can rush you. Best man. Best man. I don't know about you.
Kwame Nkwantabisa seke.
Oh, best man do. Senior.
Seke rush you no say dem asano.
I was sano.
Oh, wadaroma.
Is it Oko Kalabe? They say Oko Kalabe or the committee.
They said me flow was my job.
They can do their market.
Okay. Wait, I have what kind of
yeah, now go
editor. So let me say so. Who's okay. I don't know what I hear.
Second, but as I said, there were the camera for now. Government Muhaina or yet church and change and Koso. Nina say also man you create new patriotic party. Almost to say and say the NDC abedi or more yellow or more in the home. And China, Suma is communication director, I friend Papa Mando Sana to do an animal. The who could and send me a policy for them. Now, NDP for more Ghana had cannot read the to say. I am a fast to see any Papa Mando any deal with the year. That was a Ghana constitution is under attack. And you say, Yamuya or Yana, some you say, Nippon who say, Yamuya, and now almost send us go out of form. I'm on penny for who said, Your mother Ghana, Mamrano, or more MPP for or more person or more any so in your home. If you're not pay, yes, you more Jubilee Parker or more Barbayo, your church and change at the judicial Aquacoma RCC. Now, if you are so Ghana, Mampenny so. It is a peaceful demonstration of person or more than a day. Now, over to Muha, security not there. May have many police for more Hano. They may have many or more yard such demonstrators no cry. And yes, police for the police for papa. Now, we demonstrators and police for no more to cry out or such. Now, any penny floating common, Yaba, you national executive, but any penny floating common, which you say. National executives now quite so more into a Gusua Chomo, some Baba Bill, Nafi and Omo, Como El Capanaso.
Say don't work as a party penny for any Baba join you or more expecting Afenyo Markins, lawyer. Madam Fis, mention yourself. About for money, other executive Baba joined Omabeba.
And so, I mean, I'm not make us say, getting common and impending for the common or much or Mobeba. It's only a Gusaya Chow, now after or Masha. Nanso manya research officer e Pro region high to NPP. Odi mo yafo Henry Kakari wo ha. The person me ni di nkomo e na no pe.
Okay.
Say paso anope ma fa ba the some time some fetch na mo na so.
Major Sumira.
Na ene center dey tuntun ya hwe wo ha ya. Dey na asi.
Mira mi da so amenchia obibia na amenchia enana 2432. Ya ba ni komedie. Yewo bono nka sunyane. Na ene de jumadi a ye di ni se eye NDC aban and yewura John Dramani Mahama eda no as president no. Ahunu omundi hunu na bono MPP for nkanka ene Ghana for nyina a wontumi eka ho no. Ka hunu no ene bono for yesi ye kire etia ama wiati nyina hu se yinso de oye no. Ni oni linku for I say ombegu MPP for ani ma se ayaka ye mpene so na eno no enwu na ye e ma ye njae na ye ya ye bo omo achi e wo ne mabone omo ye LGBTQ a omo kan wasem se omo ba ombe san omo nsan ye 24-hour economy omo kan se ombe ye omo ntimi nye ye e man ton ka so mo moduma omo ntimi omo moduma a teacher for omo aba ho no se omo demonstration a omo salary enya maaye aba omo arrest wo mu no a omo ya omo adwen se omo demonstration a mpefo ebo omo emi nyina ka ho bi na bonofo ya tie still se ye say dia 7 am ba mu se omo tuma akoso aye ne mba ye ne de nanso eno emmo yusi engu na ye ye be koso aye ne be bia ama Ghana fo nyina awu ade bone a omo ba abanya so no omo di nti na ohun tuntun na yesa ntima ye wo hano mene
ira na national regional executives mo wa ha but national executives ye wo bia omo ma na se mo na mu se omo anan mu ama omo
lero omo gusu a omo ba on se kwan no asem no na eden omo nyina sima no pai they so se entbi a omo du hano mo sei ya ni omo di nkomo na bi mu nyina ni omo di justice ponko bia ni omo nyina di nkomo a omo se omo ba na mi se entbi omo du hano ebi mo so adu hano da honorable Ali Mega ope national organizer ewo hano mo sei miru abako ewo hano ma also ope Asante regional organizer DKM ewo hano mo sei adumawura eti numbers no ekoso ewo hano ma yewura na enokwa nti a omoche na medi ekoso no baba Amando na so ewo hano ma medi ekoso osha enedai no jada ewo tiani hano very brain no edi that medi no na bia yehu ni say ha na ka ma nyina mu no odo na eba ye na nkasa na de o hwete ta no so ye kan time we ma ni ba ye se ni say kana for time no nti no ye be say jumadi na se pa to anantiku mu a every 10 erikopim abo 10:30 no na be dis adumadi ni nti buwa ye wa twen ye dada dipa na placard bia aye ready a ye hu jumadi na say bia
okay na se say ye free hand ma ye be ko he kwan ben so ye be ko akopie mu wo he
utaye pa ne se ye de ye nsem be akotire John Mahama President Mahama nanam sini a wo hanom sei regional minister or regional coordinating council enti o hwese ne ye suane Ibrahim Koiti a titi en kasa ne wo Jubilee Park so San Jubilee Park enti no ye be fa akofa main station na ya da ye ho dia tomo a abefa Cocoa House central business area the central business area na ya stem straight akwa Bank of Ghana ni mu hono ma akọ regional coordinating council hono no enti jumadi no sa na etio pepe
ana Kwame Nkwantabisa ne area Henry Karina edin kobo ni na afa demonstration MPP for successful government term a na o hwa numbers no say the research officer ma hu ye no numbers no gusu a eba idan so ho su yan ha na ya nkuada obi a afese okoja so no kodini dan so na say officer obe join na wa ba join ntia you say numbers ni so but as of now there say the mekan no approach for no omododo no yasa demonstrators no so.
All right, Pablo, Mamma say that India China, I'm say, ya best have a catch it. The Ababeje said the situation here our grounds.
Nana Kwame Nkwantabisa, Mate.
Yeah, the red shoe. Yeah, and your Pablo that Casado pay, or also the air costo, our Bono capital, Sunyane regional capital, no, all training for Yini at the Eche out of pay. That Sabuno region, what I mean, can you believe said me Sunyang West? They said me follow Bia region Bia Wednesday Bia Utibete. Omuko Public Account Committee. That Bia me catch you say. Sa area aye Sunyane West one. So we the population was Sunyane West. And in Puntu Juma and Koso Honor, there was assembly in here. And you know, and then, but I don't know why. Money demonstration if you so, Maria demonstration for. I don't know the reason why. There be a Puntu was a Koso West or name Koso. Now to see Kadie Dream Katasishano Chrono ne Koso Sunya West. Ayana kwao. Chrono okwo mu chrono mu a. Ofa so atre fiapre, domesua any other areas. Empuntuo basic amenities also mu yiye no. Aside there MP no ebo modern rewura kopeba. Ebi wa true NGOs no akopa aba. Assembly na nkasa ya adwuma kwadwubin kwadwutan wo kronim too much. Damn see if it's not fit for purpose, respectfully, I love him. Nipa ba kwa meka na asma. Me ya pa no. Lawyer Kwasi Bochi. I Kwasi Buatin. Meka na asma na ompeni wan asem o quite but Kwame. When it comes to adwuma and responsibility, it's not about so open wan asem na open wan asem. It's not about say open one sem and open one sem. But empuntuo ebo mu dodo. Empuntuo ebo mu. Na don't call public account committee. Sika twitwiri dia yebuso omse sika no we mu. Oma blow cash no. Oma blow cash no. Ba kwhwe ahokyere any amenities are bought Sunyane West for said ya don't so about akukọ no. And what is this? What is that? Me say Odro Piakwa Enra Park for a yomu ye nanum omma ombeta say Kwame omu botokra no mu de a crash mu omu left from right. Tase omaje tase as they don't know from the FO from Obia the directors Sunyane West dia mo ye okro at time. Now I'm saying still region MC now abon but mu die at time kura at time. Some moment you are in the comfort lead. DJ boy anyom ana mu blow cash honum. Barbara, if you guys don't do the need for a job to move. Very well, very good. So this is the MC. Rabbi, I'm going to check his Mbenya, Emro Moko Park in the Mamia, Public Account Committee in the Mamia. I don't know what's now when Rashanim Guasiapom Gumu. Now, Rabbi, sorry, Buso chairperson for the park or Buso question. Tell us for what they came to do. Over him, the and they are blowing cash. I demand the money, yes, Umbedi. Baby, see the power of Kwame was my name, honorable Kwesi Boateng me kan wasema na me yase muko is a fine lawyer, is a fine gentleman, is an astute lawyer. Kwesi Asante Boateng very obi on pen wasem but man omunye ya was the power minim say hey abo mu dio say o mam see ya na enya kura o because technocrats na ohodan kasa bebre na ye lazy sanitation bobo water bobo schools bobo akwan kra na nse na mp no ekope sika odoan sika na ode beye dumasu ya ho baby na mo te na mo blow cash the welfare of your people they mo ndwen ho ana mo blow cash je na fe say mo mp nam ekope sponsorship na no airport crazy e be si no mo ho Yan West na mo diniti bubo mu na mo tifie na mo blow cash mo mp na mo pe support aba abeboa no na mo tifie na mo risika mo blow cash la Kwesi Boateng wa mo ani ana ho a me say Yan West de minimum o e ka mo be fa no to do blow cash what to do blow cash just like that febu so mo anwa me say ma very say tam da we di akoba na we di akoba na me say Awurade ha Awurade Nyankopon 116,000 illegal payout. Now West. Illegal 116,000. My God, oh my God, move no go move. Me say, na me say, cha agwohwe he anim na o te say, omunhwe kwan bia so omu save na omu is unsavable. Na mo te ho. Mo mpempu to ma mo manfo. So Yan West for you are not demanding enough. We demanding no form. There be East for no mako master man West for to no omu enjoy. What it? Love it 116,000. Unlawful distribution of state funds. End of service benefit. Hey, so Yan West for Charlie, you guys go for the record so omu honum latte hey 135,000 Kwame omsi anko staff members so any legal framework bia or statutory approval bia no mu treatia mewa mukọ mukro munhwe mo surrounding neighboring surrounding munhwe even the capital Yan West capital no kra munhwe kro no munhwe se de kro no musitie nya minister dan say obey akwan kakra ma ho ye fa toilet ni ho boiler basa bibia basa moto ho na mu bro cash moto ho so for bi osin ma anim late ana mu bro cash 116,000 so Yan West mom nsem mam ho mon ko afo te ho no mu bre u ko some of them kro na school kwada bre walking distance miles mako kro no nkura seda so I know that place ba what na lawyer Kwesi Boateng hunim sa ade anya mra sa wodin kura na eni ho a ayi emra mu de onim sa ade we a it has no legal backings. It has no legal framework. It has no statutory approval. Now to lawyer mapa what succeed. I respect you so much. And I'm okay we say oh media tem da. But I am ja. Tena wa na te say mother for the Christmas way end of year mo blow cash. We no ma riska moto na mo wisika na mo ka se sa na ye nyoma Domasifo, Musika na MC for no moto mori. Nso atere. Mo kwan na no fire service for be fa on tan. Omo blow cash adwuma na so mye no mo nye. Adwuma mo be ya support mo MP no mo nye. Na MP na mu no odi nti bom na mo to na mo we cash. No ahwe no guase am beje. To mo nim loti, mo hwe no guase am beje. Oh pack. Hwe no guase am beje. Wei. Le mo kro mo ya ma hwe se mo bakọ manimu. Wei. Ah! Kwame.
Ubeni?
Mefu community.
The 135,000, we must hear 19,000. Tiaka 116,000.
135 from the end of year, end of a service.
Yes, and
ESB,
end of service, and 135. And almost about 19,000, Naka 116,000. Oh, son or more, almost about refunding 19,000.
Many of so.
Pack so my refunding 19,000 penny. All my refunding 19,000.
Now, Mr. Kwame, Muko deem the first place here.
No, Mudiahe.
Muko. And then
no Mudia has a kind of
home. Dear free tetio.
No Mudia has a kind of home.
So clad appeal.
No one has a kind of home.
Oh, my discarded free tetio. And those that do baby MC say, Mamma, oh, yes. Oh, my we scanning free tetio. Then no. Kevin,
Hey, go to party and come to the job. Hey!
And I'm also so.
The parokas.
More than my babysitters.
The parokas are moved back to the zoo.
But I want to TMC.
Hey!
Mamma, fa and mamma so. Yo. Tidiamuye bad, yeah.
Nipanyo.
Oh, I'm going to tell you why.
Oh, the other day.
Oh, the other day. Okay. Mama, fuck us, Kakra. Na, you're here, Portamo to say 0548 931 931, and I may call regional basis because baby or one ma. Me TV nima 0548 931 931 0554 931 931. On Portamo to say hello, good morning. Good morning. Yeah,
good morning. You want to say?
Jamia Dom now, swear.
Okay. Possible too.
Good.
You can left from it. Some method is a seminal. You can suffer my yard. And our Obama yard. And you talk to people.
That's a powerful regime. Now, I'm going to say, crying there. Mama, they are softly preaching, or no cry, my memories. Mama softly preaching, they are softly so can't hear provoke my meno. Kevin, fatum fast. Mama softly battered is softly, Mama, dear, Monia fast.
We are robber. Robber na yakano. Rob. R-O-B na yakana. We are rob here. Kurono bono ya omumi ansa. You was stealing. Anopa na aya krono bono. Say no. Yabana anti ya ne bag ti ha. Yati ya me hwa ne ni na wa no bi safa ne bag mu a. Na me uniform na me diga no kwa. Eno no stealing. And ya was second grade. Second no ya burglary. Obi fie obakọ na nipa ni ho. No e bu no mpoma na we wuram. No afa no bibi de call. That is burglary. So the person is a burglar. On the open and no wood of nipping in New And you are the professionals. That's great. And we are robbers. I know they were Nigani. Oh, yellow. Come to kind of you. How to quibra, however. You could have bet you away and then we could sign in Pano Park or sign for a fan robber. Now, Mr. 1 year went to your title, no? They are not stealing. They are not burglary. They are. When the man I flower robbers and I said, wouldn't them stand Yami or wouldn't them say, a Yamidia, no, would get the home fat. Now, Mr. Sandin Pana would see a show them I wouldn't your title. Oh, yeah, dear, I'm raw.
All right, wait. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
O say I was a more award pa wagina so ache. Odini ba bia frefri. Odini ba bia frefri opanyin. Good. And I want you. Yeah, me ado me ho ye pa.
Yeah, mami fa kunya na me cha police commander if you feel that na me cha something or ebo director or something like that with something. Oh, I am ya. The MC that not she do what you want say. She na you put to farmer woman. No appointment, na say appointment iki. When you want to be you. Yes, you know. Oko ko fire for that. Fire can that. Ati me affect you. If you come up MC this year at all. Oko to be fast motor. I say, you try to mama be here. This is just for one. Before so for sure go fire service. I don't plan again. You be so good to post. One channel be get you no get you money. But what I didn't moment. Na catch you. This year what it. Meanwhile, no, you cannot put the way you put so much money for now. I you have people to say to the government mama say. This is the name of politics. The movie going to be what taking the song. Na president Kufuor we are successful there. Yeah, or you are successful. Can you be another? I want a couple go in your body. The play and no one perform strong. I said, Roman, you have been counted.
That's Roman. Thank you. Hello, good morning. Hello,
good morning.
Yes, sir.
Nkwantabisa the longest name. Mana Nkwantabisa the longest name.
Yaonie.
Mame mo abaso. We appreciate wa taxi driver.
Akwasi o taxi ni mu anaso ona me.
Yo pataso traffic acho ya na mame we member of MPP Media Patriot. Mame we the chair o Sompa incoming chairman o share so. Na asantime nyina kuka ake. Na Nkwantabisa kuma na udi ni na ba bia me interest wo pa beti abu isi na anopano kan se ndumi na onya agene o se asore no onye obi na show bi to nko bo a
asore de se enche
na you want to for na media bonti ka se come to Christ e ta ko benzajem na oni say me na me nkwa asore yo so ko bi preach na ba ko asore o se e wa nkwa asore na wu a ye do ko bo nsem dem na obechi sa nkwa na nyina I was in the class, or I'm making Conagana.
And the wire.
It is what to say you know about the Monani, how we have in part. If a more point or Delica. Now, Obaya to me, no. Now, when young phone announced in the program, no, or Christus, I say, or I don't Kata, I say, Yami Sulu. By yet, there's no be down, say. Now, I don't know, Carame, and yes, I'm a piano, in Siana.
Okay.
Na no because the tight na e kan wa sem no tight you make you be bad dey wa so dem o e dey mean ti tight no be ya sem na so dem be wa me dia e tight no me ti ai dey e dey say you need to fuku dam bia o dey ba program so about share tight at you pa because me mean say tight dey e wo ni ni akupon tomato but me so ya me ko tight dey ma ke o da so du wa ya na ma ke o dey wa ti kwa na ma ke but I'm not so there. You're too much collection because so funny today. They wouldn't have on tomato.
Simple.
It is tight. You're supposed to pass on to tight.
I was even say, I was Bobby Brabby. I was there. What I see drama. Tight. I am back. I saw them that tight. Yeah, tripping. Last month, wow, my party. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Because your friend Reverend Patrick Kurukoda.
Papa, what are my Etiano pay?
No, but you, Papa, for now, kind. The family to my concern. Tight and Kasam. And you teaching cancer. You're the tight. And you won't need to know who swear at them. And the who shot my office or who swear at them. No, you do my way. And the we simply so good at your marriage. And the young people on fruits remember difficult. In you are. You put on fruits remember difficult uncle. In the boy, you have to say a hobra. You know, so ye je de be mo brand na e ma ide and not so to say be come ma won ya sorba
ahanti papa say ma nya mfa ma na bibi to me anti mo ma
and no right yeah me be na so much to me be me what you want and not fun na so no the thing to so do you be sure how me na do you be sure me and that I'm saying you can be ko ni you diane you tin you diane ni be ko I'm no you no what's no aduna na wo ye
yeah
nti aduma na wo ye na wo yi so bi ya afedo asori meduma one also for no eba na dey tia oka nti ni tintire transe obi e ni so ni tintire na asori ba ebe bi na dey say the take ni titi dey wo sa aka ba ko kro no be ka so dey no
me la se papa nya me shao me dey tia na me ka se maame no senka maame ne no se sofo ene musum ntuatai musum ya kromfo dia kamejidi but maame na se ode papa de wo tokwa o ade na se bu hwe as ode papa lo omo personal fight bi o because sofo ne say bible say your professional robbers the way sofo che criminology e wa sorry wa say the bible na ka onyo na ka ara maame no say sofo this your kromfo oni bishop here Ay, that was so bad. I mean, I want me to figure that I have some why. I have a birthday, no. I have a birthday. I have a birthday. And tell me, I have a birthday. So, happy birthday to Miss Juliana Obing, Greater Accra Police PRO. Happy birthday, Miss Juliana, hard-working police officer. Happy birthday. We ask for God's blessings and favor. Miss Juliana Obing, enjoy this wonderful day. We say, you know, when your Roman father drone man is sana, or bobisa, na man for numbness, any body pain, be that. Say pressure, diabetes, hey, my father drone, dear Father Martin's a drone, the one of where they are to the Barbara, and yezo. Share. The Miss Juliana become crying, no be no bobo. There she wife a beer vinyl, my father, and be at all. Share, nano make a bobby. Oh, there for 0247919122. Oh, my father, 0247919122. Yeah, one next birthday. So happy birthday to Valentina, senior and junior. They are now 2 years of age. This is from your uncle, Wisdom. Uncle Wisdom, our Sompa Sports. On Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Your uncle loves you so much. On your uncle Bakuna, friend Uncle Opana. Hey, Uncle Opana. Almost Mama Wadapa, Ataniata. Namisham no Yamukesepa. We say pa, no. Omia young sano. Nakwa Yomako RSYD no video studios. Near Tricho move for Gini Pa. We ain't crying no more. Studio, come. But be out here, be out from home, beba. Or me a good malama biase. Now me room studio there fair. RSYD no video studio. Or the who coach ye movie celebration be movie for no pa. Fresh 057 471 5778. Umbe chow come up, papa. Yeah, go next birthday, so. Happy birthday going out to Princess Grace A. Upon Princess and her birthday. Happy birthday to my daughter, Princess Grace Asiedu Upon. I pray for more wisdom in academic grace from God on her destiny and favor among her peers. Amen and amen and amen. Princess, oh yeah, Princess, so grow in the wisdom of God. More favor to you. Happy birthday, Oba Princess. Oh, mommy say, oh, my wawoda papa. Oh, mommy say, oh, my wawoda pa. Oh, mommy say, no. Say, no, sit and one ding to the bumper because say, sciatica to me, da. Or then what about 21st clinic, soon as sciatica estimate. Chroma do be and say, Ghana for Nina, 21st clinic, a clinic more. A clinic more, sciatica dear. Oh, 21st clinic 0540311311. 0540311311. Omo ye sciatica expert. Kumase ehwa overseas. Sompa TV osro anomu wo form. Oba mbehwe. Happy birthday so nkoma. Mami Amasewa. Mami Amasewa, today is your birthday. From Scott, Nana Depa, and the Golden Crew family. They are proud of you. You are the best. They wish you nothing but the very best. Amasewa, Sewa Koto, Sewa Powerful, Sewa Brani. Happy birthday, beauty. Enjoy this day. Happy birthday, so come Edu Prince. Glorious birthday to my own boss, Edu Prince from Sogasti. Way every systematic press, Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Sogasti, also my happy birthday. Systematic or a guy who didn't also a guy pa. They say I mean Shane Quantin enjoy this wonderful day. Happy birthday, Koma Oba Asantua. Asantua, Juma Confederation Teaching Hospital. A nursing training college. Okay, so you are a nursing student at Confederation Nursing Training College. Nana Junior say, Wadapa, or say enjoy this wonderful and beautiful day. Happy birthday, Asantua. Happy birthday to Gertrude Sewabuadu, immigration officer, our Takrade port. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday, beautiful one. Enjoy this season and favor of God. Happy birthday, Obasewa Gertrude. On that note, Yamfa Sumni na Enzia from Kwame Nkwantabisa, Nkwantabisa, and ye.